What? Oh, not again. Do you face the same problem just like me? You keep a file to download and find the resume message when the Wi-Fi connection is lost, or if you change the network, but the download restarts. If yes, then you are at the right place. Without wasting much time, come on, let's get started. Myself, Prathik, from RBTechSolutions, a unit of the RBTechOfficial. So, you guys need to open any of your browser and search Free Download Manager. You will receive number of sites, but you should look for www.freedownloadmanager.org. This program file is just about 32 megabytes. And now, click on the download. I have provided direct link to this website in this video description. You can visit and download. I have already downloaded, so I shall cancel this one. After the download, visit the folder where the download file is present. Double-click on the program file to run the setup and install. Click Yes. Leave it at the default, and click Next, and then click Install. Wait until the install process completes. After the installation, click on the Finish button. Now, launch the program. You can see that my download is paused. I can continue the download when I need. Let me now show you how to do this. I am choosing a download test file by Vodafone for this. Let me say the download file size is about 100 megabytes. You need to pause or cancel the download when you click on any download button. Hold Ctrl and J to open Downloads tab. Right-click on the download file. Select Copy Link Address and close your browser. Back to the program. Select plus icon at the top left corner. You must now find the download link automatically copied. Click OK. Now, the download file name will be displayed. By clicking on Scheduler, you can schedule time for your download to take place. I will be leaving the scheduler unchecked for now. Click Download to start the download. Now you can see the download starts. You can pause the download whenever you want to, and resume when needed. You can also set download speed to high, medium, and low. In the Progress tab, next to this General tab, you can see your download status. The download is completed when this whole bunch of gray dots turn to blue. You can also set the priority order to your downloads under the speed column whenever you have multiple download files. Up here, you can pause or resume all your downloads. At the right side, click on 3 horizontal bars and select Preferences. Now, you can customize your download manager. Select the theme, dark or light. For me, dark looks good. Scroll down. You can select the download path. Browse one for all the file you download. Scroll down. You can try all these stuff for yourself according to your requirements. And down, you can see traffic limits. Here, you can set the maximum speed limit for the download according to your requirements. And down again, you can select antivirus to scan all the files you download using this download manager. After making all the settings, you can jump back to main screen by clicking on the arrow at top left corner. When you have a bundle of downloads, you can group them using tags. The download can be continued even if you change your Wi-Fi network. Additionally, at the bottom left corner, we have snail mode. You can enable this to free bandwidth without stopping your downloads. If this video has solved your download problem, drop a like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Comment below to let me know how this video was. Meet you in our next video. Until then, goodbye.